the third.
Starting five for both teams, JJ Caspe, JV De La Cruz sa backcourt for Mindoro. Kasama nila si Marion Magat, RJ Ramirez, and JC Recto. Batangas naman ha, CJ Isit, Traniel Viloria, Seth Ablaza, Abdul Sawat, and William Bing.
Tama ka dyan, no? And I've been really impressed, no? Along with, you might be surprised for me to say this, Marikina. As JJ Caspe hits the first basket. Because Marikina, if you look at the standings, which we showed earlier, na si Seth Manzano, no?
Tama din,
Who was the best player in the first game. But you talk about these two teams playing now, Yambing, I've been really impressed.
He's playing with a lot of confidence. Had a
Best player yan.
spectacular game against his former team.
And syempre, I like the braids as well. Alam mo naman ako, yung insecurity ko sa mga may buhok.
Ablaza running the floor. Ablaza sa gitna with a finger roll.
And that's the one.
Viloria comes out with the steal. Oh, nice D by Recto, but Abdul able to finish.
Gandang pick-up din.
Similarities ang laro eh.
Tama, no? Medyo tweener. Pwede mag-4.
Pwede
Although, si Ablaza minsan pwede mag-5 as a stretch 5. Siya na naman, no?
It pays off. Inside, Abdul blocked by Samis.
You talked about Ino Combo, he's 28 but has already been given huge responsibilities in his young pro career.
Doro. Yeah. Off the mark for Recto, but Caspe is there. Of last season due to an injury.
Right, latter part, no?
Oo, pero when he was healthy,
yeah, he was pretty good.
I think laban sa Valencia.
All that, you know, and I'm sure I'm missing a lot of this. Cian Lim, who played for Mandaluyong. Derek Ramsey, who played for Batangas. Kasama pa natin sa Dubai. As you see, JC Recto with a steal and a layup on the other end.
We pride on being inclusive, and who are we? Who are we?
To exclude.
Pursue their passion.
Right.
And love for the game.
Right.
When you're in that, say what
ano yung larong yun?
Normal, dire-diretso, nakakuha ng foul.
Chinese garter ba? You try to keep your balance. Piko. Tama nga, piko.
Pag, laro.
I'm sure.
Malay mo, pag mabibigla ka na lang, nandun na ako sa UP, naglalaro. Umaabot ako dun.
Ito si Magat, no? Nakuha yung rebound pero nawala yung bola. Again, another turnover. Pace for a 38. Binasabi ni Coach Cholo, yung kanyang wise decision eh.
Importante yan, Andrews. Guys, it's the preseason. It's okay. It's the preseason.
Isa o maybe dalawa sila, wala pang kontrata. Pinaglalaban.
Meron yan.
Meron yan. Okay.
Napahirapan ni Nerman. Nag-trap si Importante. Nabigay kay Andrews. Magat sa ilalim.
Nice move. That's a nice move.
This time, Magat makes sure. Maraming fouls, maraming turnovers, pero meron pa tayo 3 quarter. Nagbabalik ang iyong MPB preseason.
Second player who played the most, in terms of minutes, 24 minutes in that game. Imagine if he played 30, 32. Could have increased that. But to your point, tama ka dyan. Dahil
tapik na punta kay RJ Ramirez. Sean Andrews will finish.
had to be a little creative, no? But
nasa loob na pala si White Tamaraw, Ken Bono.
Uy!
Normal, binitbit. And able to finish. De La Cruz, 8 seconds on the shot clock. JV for 3, he knocks it down. Forward it out, 24-22. Mindoro with a steal. That's Gujamat. Recto, what a finish!
Hindi ko kaya yun. Eto, baka pwede pa. Mas simple. Walang switching of the hands in the air.
Ino, spin. Ino, one-hander. Back shot is good.
Full speed, and then a spin move, and then up and under with a nice finish. Oh my goodness! Naglakad sa air.
Abdul against Acosta. Ablaza, libre. Oh,
Ayun ang pag-usapan natin kanina. Usually, that's Ablaza open.
rebound is CJ Isit. Ablaza gets a running start. Set Ablaza again with a finger roll.
Understandable, no?
Yeah. Abdul cleans it up. On is CJ Isit. Ablaza gets a running start. Set Ablaza again with a finger roll. Yeah. Abdul cleans it up. On the basket, William Bing off and running. Yambing. Ablaza with a cleanup. Binibigay na tira ng Batangas. Ablaza
Ablaza na naman.
again.
Siya nauuna, no? Ilang fast break na yan.
15 po.
Pero Acosta, offensive rebound. Last shot na dapat sila rito.
RJ, bagsak kay Tibayan and Jonas Tibayan.
Much. Good cut.
Yeah, ganda na. Here, 4.7 seconds remaining and a digit lead before settling for this 9-point lead at the break against Mindoro. We'll be right back.
Of the third quarter, 2 turnovers kagad.
Bono
That's a
flips
shot.
it up and in. White time around. Ken Bono.
Yun lang. Another turnover.
Ablaza. Oh,
Na naman.
siya na naman.
Oo.
William being able to return the favor to Andrews with the block. Ablaza is open, a 3.
I can't believe it. I can't believe na siya ang pinaka-libre. So,
Sa Reddit.
eto, libre si Recto.
Recto. Nice. Ganda pagtanggap niya ng bola eh.
And, in rhythm. Nice.
A strong move galing kay Abdul Sawat.
Nice execution of that empty corner ball. 2 guys, you see it right here. It wasn't an empty corner. It was a clear out corner. And then, you know, yung help ni Hoson. But still able to split 2 white shirts right there. And able to finish. Eh, kasama pang foul.
De La Cruz back to Ramirez. Ramirez drives left. Looking for Recto. Naagaw ni Yambing. William Bing, dire-derecho. And that is the William Bing that with De La Cruz. RJ Ramirez, corner 3, got it. Maybe something that could get Mindoro. Isit gets away. Abdul, cranial, no good.
Oh, what a rebound.
Yeah,
Twisting in the
quick.
air.
Who is this?
Who? Yambing.
Abdul. Oh,
Ganda naman.
ito rin yung maganda. 58-41 now. Abdul.
Ayan, Swiss knife, oh. Kanina sa loob.
Ganda bola. Ends up with Nermal. Hindi pumasok. Isa pa, John Nermal.
Ang depensa sa ball screen ng Mindoro, may atake, may blow-by, may 2 points.
Comboy gets the rebound. Rodel Vaigan is on the floor. Nermal spins. Couple of fakes. Nermal puts it in. Abdul and Ablaza all having their moments in the third as Batangas is now up by 25 going into the fourth. Occasional. Batangas against Mindoro. 67-42. Good help.
They hit the slip sa gitna. Ito kay Donachea. He gets to the careless turnovers.
Yeah, even that.
And then the way they started this game also.
Comboy.
Alley-oop.
Oh, wow. 2 great plays there.
Touch pass. Pero mas magandang palpal. Konting tingin pa.
Nermal lets it fly. Pasok yan. Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliances brand. Comboy with the rebound. Here comes Ino. Runner. Good.
Afternoon on Valentine's Day was the move by Comboy little 1-2 step floater, just one step below the free throw line.
And doing it with a smile on his face there. He will, comboy. Oliva. Arim. Normal on the cut. Natapik ni Caspe. Perez. Good pass.
Nice. Yeah.
To
Deep pass.
Andrews.
Two good plays, no? By
RJ Ramirez. Caspe gets a running start. And JJ Caspe puts it in. Plus the foul.
bibigyan ng continuation. Needed basket, obviously. Especially for JJ Caspe. We talked about his struggles offensively.
Napunta kay Caspe. Andrews. Looking for a way through. And Sean Andrews.
Mangan para mas maging decent naman, no, yung final score. And
A lot of Papawis time. Andrews will fly.
Ayan, tulad they could feel better about it at least, especially sa mga ganitong play, the first slam in this game.
So a highlight here para kay Sean Andrews throwing it down with two hands. And para kay John Hermal. Perez, Recto rather, with a fadeaway. Arim. Yes.
A much better looking shot by Arim. If you're
A tendency to really drive left. No,
yeah,
off
I
the
was
bounce.
about to say. I was about to say. Ganda na observation mo rin. I didn't notice.
You've been validating my
Oh my goodness.
my insights.
Something's wrong with me.
Oh,
Lord help me. But I don't think Comboy needs any help. Desmond Price. No? Saw a few seconds, no, late in the second quarter. Perez, huh? I'm telling you.
a lot of
Showing some
upside. Yambing, atake sa gitna.
kinaliwa pa.
I like this rejuvenated version of
Price is right.
gusto mo yun, ha?
Maganda yun, ha? Ay, hindi na inabot ng mga kabataan yun. Google nyo na lang, may YouTube nyo. Pero ito, wala nang kailangan i-search dito. Pasok yan!
I like his release right
Ganda
here.
ko ng backspin, no?
Yeah.
Yan ang wala ang pickleball.